The Insta360 One X4 marks a significant milestone in the evolution of action cameras. This latest release from Insta360 is packed with innovative features designed to elevate the way we capture and share our adventures. One of the standout features of the One X4 is its enhanced image quality. Equipped with a powerful sensor and advanced image processing technology, the camera delivers stunning 5.7K video at 60 FPS and 64 megapixel stills. This means you can capture every detail of your action-packed moments with exceptional clarity and sharpness. Another notable improvement is the improved stabilization. The One X4 boasts Insta360's signature flow state stabilization, which effectively smooths out footage even during the most intense activities. Whether you're mountain biking, skiing, or surfing, the One X4 ensures your videos look professional and polished. Furthermore, the One X4 introduces new creative features to enhance your storytelling. These include time shift for fast-paced hyperlapse videos, starlapse for capturing stunning night sky footage, and Active Track 4.0 for intelligent object tracking. With these tools at your disposal, you can create truly captivating and unique content. In conclusion, the Insta360 One X4 is a remarkable achievement in action camera technology. Its combination of exceptional image quality, advanced stabilization, and innovative features make it a must-have for anyone who loves to capture their adventures. The OnePlus One X4's larger 1.3-inch sensor is a substantial improvement over its predecessor, allowing it to capture significantly more light. This increased light intake translates directly into brighter, more detailed images and videos, particularly in challenging low-light environments. The larger sensor's ability to gather more photons enables the camera to produce images with richer colors, more nuanced shadows, and reduced noise. In addition to the larger sensor, advanced image processing algorithms play a crucial role in optimizing the One X4's photographic capabilities. These algorithms work behind the scenes to fine-tune white balance, enhance colors, and minimize noise, resulting in images that are visually stunning and true to life. The combination of a larger sensor and sophisticated image processing ensures that the OnePlus One X4 delivers exceptional image quality that rivals even high-end cameras. The One X4 is a powerhouse for videographers, equipped with cutting-edge video capabilities. One of its standout features is the ability to capture stunning 4K video at a smooth 60 frames per second. This high frame rate ensures that fast-paced action scenes appear fluid and natural, delivering a cinematic quality to your footage. To further enhance the visual experience, the One X4 incorporates active HDR technology. This advanced feature allows the camera to capture a wider dynamic range, resulting in more vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and brighter highlights. Whether you're shooting in low-light conditions or bright outdoor environments, the One X4 can capture the details that matter. The camera's wide 157-degree field of view provides a truly immersive perspective, capturing more of the scene and drawing viewers into the action. This is particularly useful for landscape photography or capturing group shots. Additionally, users have the flexibility to choose between 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratios, allowing them to tailor their footage to specific needs or preferences. The Insta360 One X4 is a powerful action camera capable of capturing stunning 360-degree footage thanks to its optional 1x2 or 1RS modules. Its AI chip enables intelligent features like automatic tracking, object recognition, and SE detection, while the Pro imaging chip enhances image quality and processing. The camera's flow state stabilization ensures smooth and shake-free footage, even during intense activities. It also offers time-lapse and hyperlapse capabilities for creating captivating time-lapse videos and high-speed slow-motion recording for capturing every detail. The One X4 features improved microphone technology and wind noise reduction for clear and immersive audio capture. It boasts a long-lasting battery with quick charging and wireless connectivity for easy content transfer and remote control. With its sleek and durable design, compact size, and comfortable grip, the One X4 is perfect for outdoor adventures. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface further enhance the user experience. The Insta360 One X4 is scheduled to launch on October 22, 2024 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Pricing and availability details will be announced closer to the launch date.